The next generation public address and voice alarm ceiling loudspeakers. Projects are becoming more demanding. Installers face rising labor costs and tighter timelines. Different cutout sizes, complex connections, and time-consuming loudspeaker mounting add unnecessary effort. Consultants seek clarity, integrators need straightforward choices, and architects expect sleek designs that blend in without compromise. Introducing the next generation public address and voice alarm ceiling loudspeakers, designed to make selecting, specifying, and installing the right loudspeaker easier than ever. The new ceiling speaker lineup features a clear three-tier structure: entry, mid, and performance. Entry models focus on reliable speech and alarm tones. Mid models combine evacuation and high-quality background music in one solution. The two-way performance models is where public address and voice alarm meets powerful output and exceptional music quality. This structured portfolio makes it easy to select the right loudspeaker for every environment, application, and budget. Designed for speech and music, these ceiling speakers deliver clarity, durability, and peace of mind, all in a refined, modern design. Delivering a straightforward ceiling loudspeaker portfolio makes it easy to select the right one for your application. Installation is faster and smarter, as almost all models have the same 180mm cutout size, simplifying mounting and enabling easy upgrades later in the project. Bezel-less grills create a clean and modern finish. Pre-sensor, end-of-line and end-of-branch modules can be installed directly on mounting points at the back of the speaker. Integrated supervision options and EN5424 certified back-can models ensure compliance and peace of mind. Consultants gain a clearer, more structured portfolio. System integrators benefit from performance consistency and easier planning, and smart mounting features save time and cost for installers. The next generation PA ceiling speakers have arrived. The sound of quality made easy, designed to impress.